interesting fact. When you inject me in around my nose is numb.
Oh yeah, I always forget to tell people that actually. Yeah, there's a nerve here. You inject, sometimes it's like, ouch, a big jolt. Second of all, maybe 5 minutes later you get this nose numbness. Third of all, you'll be like sniffing for the next 15 minutes like a cocaine addict or something. So
I don't want to say that.
but I always forget to tell people, I always forget, and then people are like, my nose is numb. I'm like, oh sorry, that's normal.